Are you creating a book or a report that needs a standard format for individual documents? Then creating a template for your binder might save you time. Scrivener 3 for Windows has the ability to let you define specific sub-documents for folders and other documents. You do this by creating a template. Many formats already have a template file in the binder. You'll find it outside of the manuscript draft area. It's indicated by a large blue T. If you don't have one of these, you can create your own. Simply create a folder where you want it, then go into the Project menu, Project Settings, Special Folders and Templates, and select your folder from the pull-down list. Now, this folder is where you create the template you want to use. It is entirely up to you as to the contents, but could be a set of headings or perhaps a table of some sort. Once you've created your document within the Templates folder, you'll notice that it is also marked with a little T in the corner. You'll need to assign this to where you want it to appear. So select the folder, go into the Documents menu, Default Template for Subdocuments, and select the template. You can also nest the templates, so you have sub-documents. And if you want to update the template, go to the Template folder and change it there. Then all subsequent documents will be updated. For more non-fiction topics, check out this playlist here.